If you look at my hand very well, you will see Android inbuilt phone. Okay, right now I'm trying to untie the knot of this phone, and we want to change the down panel. Down panel is the small panel that is at the bottom of Android phones. Okay, so look at the down panel at my hand. I'm trying to replace it with the new one. All right, I'm waiting to bring out the new one right now. So look at it. Okay, I'm waiting for the new one. All right, just make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, look at the new down panel in my hand. So I'm going to replace it right now. This is the new one. All right, so subscribe to this channel and you will learn a lot of things. Within some months you are going to know how to repair phones and you'll be a professional engineer, okay, on how to repair phone. All right, just subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. All right, okay, look at it now. I've replaced it. I'm trying to tighten it back. All right, I'm trying to tie the knot back. Okay, I'm trying to tie the knot back. Subscribe to this channel, Phone Resources Colony TV. Okay, and you know, make sure you share so that others will benefit. So instead of you to stay idle, don't stay idle. Make sure you are doing something. Make sure you are doing some works to bring food to your table. Don't wait for government, to do everything for you. Going to school is to have knowledge and to be exposed to some other things. This one is one of the areas you can make some money for you to survive, for you to have a good living. Alright? Okay, look at it now. I've replaced it with a new one. Alright, I want to plug it now. You will see it now and it will be charging right now. Okay, it's charging, right? It's charging. You see, as you can see it's charging. Alright, that is good. That means the board is good. Alright, so we are good to go. So make sure subscribe, like, share and comment. Alright, so for more updates of this kind of the video,